Hello guys, today we're opening a new Barbie. Like real Barbie. That's mine. I don't know what to name it because hindi ko kilala lahat ng Barbie. Basta, let's open it. Bye-bye words. A little bit words. That's okay. Wait, where's my scissors? Okay, let's open it. Again. Inulit ko ng sinabi ko. What's inside, you think? Girls. We have a bag. What else do we have? Oh, we have a blue. Barbie. May Barbie sa loob. Okay. Meron pa ba? Meron pa! Ayun, lumabas. Wait lang, girls, ha. Hindi ko maabot. I'll use my scissors kung maabot ko. Ba't hindi abot? Guys, hindi ko maabot yung nasa pinakailalim. Nabutas. I'll try. This may take along. Oh, finally I got it. Okay, so let's open this first. You got Ollie. Maybe that's her name. And this is her bag. Let's open it. Okay, let's use our scissors. Open this blue thing. What's this? Cheese, Ollie! Yay! Here's your bag. Yay! Hello! My name is Ollie. Bye!